Hi guys, my name is Dima. You can call me Dima. And today we start a new project. New YouTube project, new YouTube channel, which is designed and created for you to see what's happening in my country. And this channel is for military trucks, for military stuff, for some tractors, some all the trucks, all machinery which I love and which hope you love. So my country is Republic of Belarus, or Belarus, and we are situated just between Poland and Russia, but still we have a culture of Russia, and we have the traditions of Russia. We are really similar because we used to be a part of Soviet Union and a part of huge country which was making trucks and stuff like that. And today this first video shows how we buy truck and shows you how we get it back home. And we buy this truck from military base, and this truck was standing for many years. You can see from the paint, you can see from all, but it's absolutely new inside. This truck called ZIL 131, and this is the project I'm gonna show you. Right behind me there is another truck which is called Ural 4320, and this truck you can see on my Russian speak channel, which is called Custom Truck, right? And you can see all the procedure of restoration of this truck. Right, this truck Ural, it has V8 diesel engine, and it's quite bigger than this one. This one has V8 petrol engine. Really hard to fill it up, and it's quite expensive to fill it up with the petrol, but it's Soviet Union truck and it's really reliable, and it's just something incredible. It's got different systems of surviving and stuff like that, but I'll show you this in next videos. I'll show you the procedure of restoration of this truck. So hope you're gonna be interested in this video and you'll like it. What we start with today, we start with buying this truck, right? Buying this truck and all the procedure of buying from military base. I'm gonna tell you in a couple of words. So what we start with, we have a company in our republic which sells military trucks, which makes everything that you can buy this truck. Not these, but the military vehicles, all different kinds. There is a site, bsk.by. I'll leave you in the description of this video. I'm not sure, it doesn't have English version, I'm afraid, but still there is a special catalog where you can choose the vehicle you need, and you can go to this company, and this company I mean the BSK.by. This company is called Belspetskontrakt, and this company sells military stuff. So what we did, we get permission, get to the military base, right? We choose this ZIL from 6 of them and decided to buy this one because this one is really new inside. It's not really nice outside because the paint job is not really nice, but it doesn't matter. We'll paint this truck and it will be perfect. But at the moment we decided to choose this truck. So once we get documents in our hands, we went through right to the military base and wait for our ZIL to come to us. So military base take this ZIL out for us, out of the base, and first the hardest job was to start it, because this truck was standing for a long time and it was quite hard to start it. Maybe we will get oil leaking, maybe we will get some water leaking, or just even some electrics not working. And I was really glad when I saw ZIL coming out of the base, and it doesn't matter for me whether it starts or not. I was just happy by having this truck to be mine. And you know, sometimes we do things which are just a bit crazy or not right, at least not right. And when you get this thing in your hand, you just make some, you just become, I don't know, happy. And this is what happened with this truck. When I get it, I was happy, and I was absolutely don't care whether it starts or not. I was just happy. So, okay, now you will see some parts, some moments of starting the ZIL, some moments of buying ZIL, and of course delivering back home. First of all, when you get the vehicle out of the military base, you need to have a look on the engine to make sure that everything on its place, and to check oils. We start with the hydraulics, a power steering wheel, and checked the oil, and it's fine. So now we need to check the oil in the engine. Right, the engine oil is fine, so now we can start to fit our battery back on its place and try to start our engine to make sure that electricity is fine and everything is working. The battery is on and we are ready to crank it. It's working. The next step is to get some petrol straight to the carburetor and try to start it. So we get some petrol to the carburetor. So we're ready to start. Oh yeah, it just started from a little crank, but it's not enough fuel, so we need to get some more. So guys, this was the first start of the Soviet engine, which was not starting for 39 years and was standing, and it started just from a half of a crank. So now we needed to start it with the fuel pump. So the fuel pump is working and we are ready to start. And it started. So the next step is to fill it with the water. So we've got it running, and the first things we checked is the oil pressure and air pressure to make sure that compressor is working and the oil pump is working. The electricity is working as well, so everything should be fine. Then we check the lights, the indication, and once we get all the bulbs in, everything started to work. When we get the water in, it happened that one of the pipes are dead and we need to change it. So I've changed it and the water stopped leaking. It's just the grease that was on the pipes, and when we start the engine it starts burning out. So we are ready to go. I'm on my way home. Once we get it started, we made a couple of things to get it going. We were needed to change some water things, some water pipes, because we've got some leaking, and then we made the petrol tube as well, and then we fixed some electrics, and we've got Zeal running. So running, and we are running 40-60 kilometers per hour. I'm not going really fast because these are first kilometers, and I want to engine be I don't know how in English, to be proper started. It's live. Yeah, I don't know how to say in English. I hope you forgive me. So we are going not fast. We've got 120 kilometers left before we get home, and it's quite interesting trip because it took me already 4 hours driving this truck, and I love it. Right, so we've got a really shitty weather outside. It's raining and I can't see anything, so I need to stop my video because it's not safe. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back in our base when it's gonna be a new day. Okay, have a nice day. As you saw in the video, we are on our way back home, and we are home, and next video we will see the full review of this truck, of the truck we bought, and I'll show you our first plans and our first steps in the restoring of this truck. So subscribe on this channel, press the fingers up, press likes, and I hope this channel is gonna be interesting for you, and this channel is gonna be interesting for all over the world, and this channel is gonna be interesting for all people who like Soviet trucks and who like everything which deals with military stuff. So have a nice day. I wish you best of luck. I wish you best of all. I wish you best of health, and hope you will help me in restoring of this truck. Bye.